BMW embarked on a new era with the launch of the second-generation iX3, the first production car to bring the Neue Klasse vision to life. It is an electric SUV that marks more than the next step forward. It is the master plan for the next decade of BMW innovation. Based on a committed electric platform with a new, progressive design language, and powered by sophisticated digital intelligence driven by 4 high-performance computers. The iX3 demonstrates how BMW will redefine luxury, driving experience, and technology for the electric future. The first of the 3 to break cover in showroom floors is the iX3 50 xDrive, which is due in mid-2026. With 4-wheel drive and 2 motors, the SUV boasts 463 horsepower and 476 pound-feet of torque. This takes the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 4.7 seconds with an electronically limited top speed of 130 miles per hour. While there is also a focus on efficiency with an EPA estimated range of 400 miles, a figure that would likely be even better for WLTC testing. Arriving at a starting price of about $60,000, the iX3 offers an attractive blend of range, performance, and pricing against internal combustion rivals, as well as direct electric rivals. Both inside and out, the iX3 is surprisingly faithful to the 2024 vision Neue Klasse X concept. Its look inaugurates a new era for BMW, but pays indulgent homage to its heritage. Adrian van Hooijdonk, BMW Group design head, stressed that this route is a modern-day take on what BMW never forgot. The front is characterized by vertical kidney grills and double headlights, characteristics of legends such as the 2002 series, but with spearpoint pointiness that is the height of sophistication today. Smooth black panels and chiseled air intakes replace more menacing SUV-look cladding that is typical in crossovers to give the car a swanky and sleeker look. Clipper lines and boxy forms cut into the shape from the side, with Hofmeister kink being the most dashing of BMW features. Slim horizontal taillights that possess a sunken midsection rounded to match in conjunction with the roof spoiler signify the rear. The entire body is aerodynamically tuned, with drag reduced to 0.24 from the 0.29 of the previous car. For an even sportier appearance, there is the M Sport package that includes sport-tuned bumpers, 20 to 22-inch wheels, and blue brake calipers. The M Sport Professional package takes this further yet with an illuminated grille, glossy black trimmings, and red calipers. The car itself is 188.3 inches long, 74.6 inches wide, and 64.4 inches tall on a 114.1-inch wheelbase. It's a mere 2 inches longer overall than the car it succeeds, the wheelbase being 1.3 inches longer. These changes are at the cost of increased cabin space and improved proportions that only serve to make it look even more purposeful on the road. Inside, the iX3 introduces the entire new direction of BMW interiors. The unifying concept is the panoramic iDrive, a screen along the windshield and extending to a 17.9-inch middle screen. A 3D head-up display available also helps to form the otherworldly ambiance. All are powered by BMW Operating System X, providing simplicity, restraint, and personalization. The design is far removed from BMW's earlier driver-focused cockpits, prioritizing openness and digital integration. While most functions are buried in the touchscreen, some of them exist as physical switches for wipers, turn signals, mirrors, gear shift, volume, and parking brake. There are also touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel, and BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant takes it a step further to allow for more intuitive voice command to reduce distraction. Optional at an extra cost are a 13-speaker Harman Kardon stereo sound system, panoramic glass roof, and 3-zone automatic climate control. The higher HyperSynX sound world adds to the driving experience with precisely tuned sound effects that bring an emotive element to the electric drive. Practicality is a bonus too. Due to the purpose-built EV platform, the iX3 offers spacious interior space and convenient 5-seat configuration. Cargo capacity is 30.4 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 65 cubic feet with them folded, according to US measurements. European specifications quote range at 520 to 1,750 liters, and a 2 cubic foot frunk provides flexibility for lighter loads, with plenty of other storage provisions along the cabin that provide daily practicality. Aside from design and packaging, the electronic underpinnings of the iX3 distinguish it. BMW has launched 4 high-speed computers, superbrains, that are combined to create the car's digital nervous system. Every module is responsible for a specific domain: driving behavior, autonomous driving, infotainment, and vehicle essentials. The most advanced of these is called the Heart of Joy and controls the motors, brakes, energy recuperation, and steering, and is optimized for efficiency and performance at all times. A module for autonomous driving complements the Active Driving Assistant Plus and the optionally available Highway Assistant, allowing hands-free driving over long distances. BMW Symbiotic Drive combines driver action with autonomous features, both of which can coexist rather than needing to be deactivated by the driver. Because the iX3 is software-defined, its features are not fixed. Instead, it will be enhanced over time through constant over-the-air updates with new features, improvements, and performance boost throughout its lifespan. Its adaptability will be one of its strongest selling points, placing it on a footing that will cause it to stay competitive long after it makes its debut. The engineering facility itself is state-of-the-art. As the first series production car on Neue Klasse architecture, the iX3 has an 800-volt structure, 6th-gen eDrive motors, and cylindrical high-density battery cells. All these combined deliver increased range and excellent charging capabilities. With 400 kilowatt DC charging, the iX3 can add 230 miles to its range in 10 minutes. Charging to 10 to 80% battery capacity only takes 21 minutes. Bidirectional charging capability also improves its application, allowing vehicle-to-home or even vehicle-to-grid energy control. The charging point itself is NACS standard with CCS adapter, and there is an automatically opening and closing sensor flap for your convenience. The driving experience can be customized by using special modes like Sport, Efficient, Silent, and Personal to favor performance, comfort, or energy efficiency based on drive. Strategic intent is realized in market positioning. The base price of about $60,000 exceeds the gasoline-powered X3 M50 xDrive by a couple of $1,000s, but places it against rivals such as Tesla's Model Y Performance, which will cost about $10,000 more than the long-range AWD. Other rivals likely will be the Audi Q6 e-tron, Porsche Macan EV, Volvo EX60, and upcoming Mercedes GLC EV. There is already a rear-wheel drive model that is in production, followed by a performance variant M to make the iX3 attractive to every sort of customer. US assembly will begin in early 2026 at the new Debrecen plant of BMW in Hungary. Pledging to Neue Klasse cars, the factory is evidence of BMW's commitment to future-focused, sustainable manufacturing. Launching the iX3 not only adding a new car to the roster, but also laying out the architecture, design, and digital framework that will underpin BMW's entire next generation of electric cars makes it a significant step on the group's EV path. The second-generation BMW iX3 is more than a new electric SUV. It is the first tangible expression of the Neue Klasse generation, a car that blends design heritage-driven design aspects with current technology, digital expertise, and engineering wizardry. Its increased range, quick charging, affordable price point, and revolutionizing interface make it a benchmark car for the premium electric SUV segment. Most importantly, it sets the tone for BMW's vision of a society in the future where driving pleasure, sustainability, and technology come together to usher in a new epoch of motor history.